Welcome to RPGuru Tech Talk, the ultimate destination for all things tech. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, join the community of tech enthusiasts and start learning today with us. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.
I created another video where I'd shown you how to display your phone on your laptop or PC. In that, I actually had used a Windows 10 feature called projecting to this PC. But the older version of Windows doesn't have this feature. So let us see how to project your or display your phone on a PC using a different method rather than depending on a Windows feature, right? So what I'm going to do is let's go to search, and we're going to search for a software called LetsView. It's if you see, it's a free app and it's available for Windows, Android, Mac, and iOS. So all devices can use this, and it's a free software. I'm going to download for the Windows, so I'm going to click on Windows at the bottom of the screen and download focused on the Windows because my laptop is a Windows 10 laptop. I'm downloading this software. This is a software I've already downloaded, but if you see, it created a new version, but I'm going to click on the downloaded version previously. It's the same thing, and now I'm going to say install now. It'll take some more time, but I'm fast forwarding this video so that you can focus on the display. So now it's installing. It's completed the install on the laptop. So if I go to the now if I open the laptop, it's the app is there. Now the next step is to go and install the same app on my Samsung S10 Android phone because now there has to be a communication between the laptop and the phone. So I'm going to go to my phone and search for LetsView. I'm going to install the LetsView app, and I'm fast forwarding again just to focus on the display. So it takes time. It's a 31 MB file, so it does take time depending on your internet connection. So it's downloading, it's completing and installing now. Now it's installed it. So I'm going to open the app on my phone, and then it's trying to look for it. So if you see, it says LetsView Renupi. That's my laptop. It found it. There are two versions. One is phone screening. So you want to display a phone, click on the first one. If you want to display your laptop on the phone, click the second one. I'm going to click the first one, display the phone on my laptop, right? So once I click that, you can say record allow and then say start now. Once you say start now, if you see now the phone is displayed on my laptop and it's using the LetsView app. And if I show you side by side the app on the laptop and my phone, on the laptop it says successfully connected and casting. And sometimes you want your phone to be the only app visible. So you can click on that button which says pin. Whenever you open anything on your laptop, if I clicked on the pin, it always shows the phone display on your laptop. I hope this helps because this is useful for if you want to show something on your phone rather than using a video on the phone, you could display it on your laptop and do a screen record. Hope this helps. Talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.